Hey everybody! So this video we're looking at the different ways that animals eat. So it's called methods of eating. So remember that animals are they're classified into the kingdom Animalia. The kingdom Animalia, and remember that all animals, they get their food by eating other organisms. Eating other organisms, or in other words, eating other living things. And this is different to plants because plants get their food by producing their own food from photosynthesis, using energy from the sun. So in the animal kingdom, there's 4 main methods of eating that have evolved. The first one is called being a carnivore. So the carnivores. The next one is herbivores. The other one is omnivores. The third one. And the last one are called decomposers. Alright. So, you might have heard a few of these words before, but let's go through each one quickly now. Carnivores are animals that only eat meat. So they specifically eat other animals. They only eat the meat, and meat only comes from animals. So things like the tiger quoll is a small mammal carnivore, and some birds are also carnivores, like the wedge-tailed eagle here. Alright, well, herbivores, they're animals that only eat plants. So things like kangaroos, and lots of insects are also herbivores, like these caterpillars here. I think they're caterpillars from a moth, possibly. So herbivores, they can either eat grass and leaves, or they can eat seeds and flowers and fruits as well. Alright, the third group are omnivores, and that's the group that humans are in. And omnivores can eat plants and meat. So they eat plants and other animals. So some common omnivores you might know are the ringtail possum that lives around in Southeast Australia, and the emu as well, because emus eat insects, which are animals, but they also eat seeds and grasses and things too. Okay, and the fourth group are called decomposers, and these are really important animals in the ecosystem because they eat dead and decaying matter. Dead and decaying organisms. So any organism that dies, if it's a plant or an animal or a fungus, will eventually get eaten by decomposers. And those decomposers help to break down that dead material and to recycle it back into the soil and back into the ecosystem. So every animal in the animal kingdom fits into one of these 4 groups of eating. And humans, well, we're omnivores. Most of us anyway, because we can eat plants and animals.